everybody. What's up? Welcome back to Andrea Monroe from head to top. Okay. Hey, you guys. Thank you so much for returning and being on board with this journey. And while you're ready, go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that notification bell for these weekly videos I'm dropping. So, you guys, I'm back looking crazy. We got a little hangage, everything. So this is a requested video to see how I take down my Flexi rods, how I style it. And so you guys, I wanted you to be a part of this journey to see how I accomplish my curly fro. Everybody seems to be loving it, so I'm grateful for the feedback, and I want to show you guys how I achieve that look. So you will need Bear hair oil. I hope you guys are ordering it because it's the hottest thing on the market. Okay. And I have my earrings in, and you will need some kind of lipstick to make this look pop, and so you be popping, honey. Duh. Without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and just start taking it down. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this one because it's hanging, and you guys, I have slept on this. It's been in my head for maybe 3 or 4 days, so it's been through the struggle. Okay, it's ready to come out. So how I do mine is, since this one is already taking itself out, we'll just have that one. That's the curl. So a new fresh one, I will roll it down and allow it to roll itself back up. Okay, I'm gonna do that for all of these. You want it to keep its shape with the curl and everything. So you guys, we just gonna roll it, and sometimes you can also just kind of like pull it out and it'll still keep its shape. So it's different ways that you can take down your Flexi rods, and so whatever works best for you, you just want to make sure that it still comes out with the desired look of the curl that you want. We are going to continue to take all of this down. And so you guys, if you have tried doing a Flexi rod set, I want some of your feedback. Like, let me know what you thought about it. Like, did it turn out the way you expected? Was this video helpful? If you try to do it after you've seen my video, my previous video, and I will put the link to how I got the desired look. But like I said, this is a requested video for me to take down and style. And so you guys, this time I didn't actually grease my scalp. Shame on me. That's why you don't do your hair when you don't feel like it. Because something else gets left out. So I didn't actually grease my scalp this time, but I am going to grease it. Just go through with my applicator and oil my scalp. But when I tell y'all that Bear is amazing, like this time I didn't use as much because it was, it's very oil based, so you don't need a lot of it. So I used the right amount this time. Shh, don't tell nobody. So you guys, I did enough just to get it, to get it moisturized. And like I said, it's all natural, it's oil based, so you don't need a lot of it to get the desired look and to keep your hair moisturized. So this time, I am hoping that it turns out the way that I wanted to. Even though last time it was absolutely positively beautiful. So I'm excited to see what masterpiece comes out of this time. And you guys, I had to touch up a couple of my curls last time. But for the most part, it lasts me for about a week and a half. Which is really good because my hair is so funny acting. I don't know if you guys, go through the same thing I go through with my hair, but it's very funny acting. Like, it doesn't want to keep natural styles for very long. So I'm almost done. Got 2 more, I think. Yep. All right. So we have everything out. And this is how it looks. And so what a lot of people do, I've noticed, like, they just kind of pull it apart to get the desired look. I'm going to try the pull apart method. I don't have a pick per se. So we're just going to do the pull apart method, and then we're going to do some finger teasing and all of that to get the desired look. But you don't want to, you know, make it frizzy by pulling it apart too much, but you just want it, you see, you guys, how it just, you know, it gives you what you need when you pull it apart, but it doesn't give you a frizzy look. And so you guys, I forgot my oil, but I'm just gonna go through and just add a little bit of oil to my parts so that my hair doesn't dry out. And put it around my edges, not too much because I still want to be able to lay them down, but just, you know, go in and put a little bit in, since I didn't do it when I initially did my hair. But when I tell you, this oil feels so good. It smells amazing. When it hits your scalp is like, hallelujah. So, okay. You don't need a lot of it either. Alright, so I start pulling that apart. We're gonna pull this apart. Okay. You guys will see. See the curl, see how pretty it is. There you go. So you guys, want you to be able to see. Guess we're gonna do a middle part since that's how I molded it. Alright, I'm gonna go get a mirror. Okay, so I wanna see like how the back is. I'll make sure I'm giving the back the attention that it needs. Back looks good. It looks real good. Okay. So turn back around, you guys. And so you guys can play with it till you get the desired look that you need. And you guys, I keep forgetting to get a pick, but I mean, you know, I try to limit my, you know, interactions outside because of Corona. And I want to make sure that I'm being safe. So you guys, this is the desired look that I wanted. I'm going to play with it some more just to make it bigger and more defined, but I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. That's Princey, guys. Hush, Prince. Prince, hush. Alright, guys. So, here's the desired look. However big you want it, you can keep, you know, teasing it out. A lot of people like shake it and make it bigger. This is good for me, and it's all about your desire, what you want. But I love, you know, I love big hair, but I don't want to make it frizzy, so I'm just gonna you know, just continue just to tease it a little bit, just to give it some shape. And I love it. And so the last thing that you need to do, so you can hit these streets or wherever you're going, is pop it with some color. Honey, baby girl, yeah. I don't know about y'all, but you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing, even though I ain't going nowhere for real. This is so bomb. I am so in love with my hair. This has become like one of my favorite styles, natural, because my hair, like, you guys don't understand, like it doesn't have its own like natural curl, so I have to create a curl. But this lasts, and I love this style so much. I look a lot like my mom with this style, but I love it. I love it. And it makes your hair look really, really like soft, and like I said, as it, you know, gets older, it looks pretty too. When it, you know, the curls start falling a little bit more. But I am happy with my results. Thanks again to Jer Bear hair oil and hair butter for this desired look. And I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to dream bigger than your fears, more than your imagination, surpassing your wildest dreams. I am Andrea Monroe. Thank you for watching Andrea Monroe from head to toe. Okay, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for these weekly videos I'm dropping. And if you have any other requests, let me know, and I'll get to doing that content and making it Andrea Monroe certified. I love you guys, and have a beautiful day. Bye.